are the Karma Yoga team. We are here at Thirukazhukundram. Tonight, this is a full moon day and we are here to observe how more than 10,000 people come here and visit and perform the Girivalam ritual over here.
So we have observed the many stalls that are unorganized. We can see the prasadam being distributed and people are heavily involved in that prasadam.
Most of the stalls are very disorganized. They are everywhere, because of which the people are throwing the bins everywhere.
Although the dustbin is also here, but due to lack of awareness, people are throwing the paper plates on the ground.
Due to this unorganized thing, the patras are on the road. This is creating more and more waste.
So what we need to do is that we need to spread awareness among the pilgrims that come here, so that we can throw the garbage in the dustbin and spread positivity.